Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough for YouTube ads. Because in this sections, we're also going to create ad videos for YouTube ads. Therefore, it is going to be very crucial and essential for you to be familiar with these advertising platforms. Alright, so as you guys can see, right now we are on Google Ads, and you might be wondering, why are you on Google Ads? Well, let me tell you the reason why. Because YouTube is actually part of Google. Alright, so to access YouTube ads, just go to your Google Ads dashboard and then click on New Campaign, and then click on New Campaign. Alright, and what I want you to do next is to click on Create a Campaign without a guidance, right? And then click on Video. So as you guys can read here, reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. So yeah, there are like many different objectives, like get views, efficient reach, target frequency, non-skippable in-stream, drive conversions, ad sequence, audio. So we're just going to go with the first options to get views, because we want to get a lot of views. Alright, so click continue. Then we're going to be redirected to this page. You can name your campaign if you want to, but since this is just, a tutorial, so I'm not going to name it. And for the bid strategy, you can set your CPV, your maximum CPV. CPV stands for cost per view. It's like the amount of money that you're willing to pay for every view that you get. Okay. In these sections, you can set your budget. So you have the options, either daily budget or campaign total. So if you set it to be like daily budget, so you can enter the amount of money that you're willing to spend daily. And if you choose to go with campaign total, so it's like the amount of money that you're willing to spend for like the whole campaign. All right, and you can scroll down here. You can choose like on which platforms that your ad is going to be displayed on. Obviously, I want it to be displayed on YouTube, but I don't think it is going to be beneficial if we display the ad on YouTube partners or Google Display Network. So I'm going to uncheck this box. And down here, you can also set the location. So I want to be targeting people in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. That's the reason why I am listing these 5 countries. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can also set the language. For the language, I'm going to stick with English because most of my potential customers are located in English-speaking countries. Alright, so let's scroll down. As you guys can see, you can also target your audience based on their demographics, like age, gender, parental status, and also like household income. You can also add audience segments like their interests, for example, like business technology, enterprise software, CRM solutions. What else? So if you scroll down, you can also like add keywords, right? So just add all relevant keywords. So for example, methods like this, right? Because we're going to be selling in electronic methods instruments. So yeah, just make sure that you add all relevant keywords here, and also you can add topics. All right, and if you scroll down here, you need to connect your Google Ads account with your YouTube channel. So what you need to do here is to upload your YouTube ads video on your YouTube channel, and then connect that channel with your Google Ads account. All right, so that's what you need to do. And you can also add the maximum CPV, cost per view, so you don't waste a lot of your budget. Just sometimes if you don't set the CPV, then YouTube algorithm is just going to spend your ad budget inefficiently, right? So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Very easy, very straightforward. So last thing here that I want you to know is to connect your YouTube account with your Google Ads account, because that's very crucial part, right? So all you need to do is to click on tools and settings, and then click on linked accounts, right? Linked accounts, and then actually it's very easy. Just click YouTube, right? So just click YouTube, manage and link, and I want you to click on this add channel and then type in the name of your channel and then confirm. All right, very easy, very straightforward. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn how to create our ad videos for TikTok ads and YouTube ads with AI tool. And the name of that AI tool is, let me show you really quick. Let's go back to our Google Slides. The name of that AI tool that we're going to use in the next video is invideo.io, right? So that's the AI tool. Okay, so I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.